Welcome to Daily Bible Benefits. Today is Thursday, December 5th. On this day in 1945, 5 U.S. Navy adventure torpedo bombers comprising Flight 19 take off from the Fort Lauderdale Naval Air Station in Florida on a routine 3-hour training mission. After having completed their objective, Flight 19 was scheduled to take them due east for additional 67 miles. Then turn north for 73 miles and back to their air station after that, totaling a distance of 120 miles. They never returned home. Today on the podcast, Jesus will be telling his disciples not to be a showpiece, but a servant of God. Matthew chapter 23, verses 1 through 11. Then spake Jesus to the multitude and to his disciples, saying, The scribes and the Pharisees sit in Moses' seat. All therefore whatsoever they bid you observe, that observe and do. But do not ye after their works, for they say and do not. For they bid heavy burdens and grievous to be borne, and lay them on men's shoulder, but they themselves will not move them with one of their fingers. But all their works they do for to be seen of men. They make their broad their phylacteries, and enlarge the borders of their garments, and love the uppermost rooms at feast, and the chief seats in the synagogues, and greetings in the markets, and to be called of man, Rabbi, Rabbi. But be not ye yet called Rabbi, for one is your master, even Christ, and all your brethren. And call no man your father upon the earth, for one is your Father, which is in heaven. Neither be ye called masters, for one is your master, even Christ. But he that is greatest among you shall be your servant. Several observations. First, they multiplied commandments upon individuals which they themselves would not practice. Second, they practiced their religious traditions for the recognition they received of men. Third, they had respect of persons, for they loved chief places in the assembly and wanted to be greeted with honor in society. Jesus condemned their status, seeking and contrast their practice with a new community that he was creating. The new people of God have one teacher, the Christ, one level, all are brethren, one Father before whom all bow, the Father in heaven, and one measure of greatness, that of being servants who humble themselves in service. Thank you for tuning in to Daily Bible Benefits. Have a good and godly day.